Building an email list is by far the most effective way to initiate and build relationships with your customers and subscribers. It is also the best way to nurture and retain your audience long term. This is how you will be able to promote your products as well as continually update your clients on new and upcoming products and promotions. You can also communicate with your customers and those in your niche or market to get their feedback and help develop and grow your business. This is why so many internet marketers are always looking for new and helpful tips regarding how they can successfully build their list. Many people simply don't realize how easy it can be. That is why so many people are looking for an actual strategy as to how to build an email list. You have to be able to reach the right market of people or your list won't get you anywhere. So you have to be able to not only develop a relationship with your customers and subscribers, but you also need to earn their trust. Choosing your email marketing list service provider. Having an email marketing list puts you at a distinct advantage over your competitors and even other marketers who have yet to embrace the world of email marketing. An email list allows you to collect potential customers easily and contact them when you wish to tell them about your business, specials, and products you are offering. There are several excellent choices today when it comes to email marketing list service providers, also referred to as autoresponders. The competition between them is so great that you are going to want to spend some time going through the benefits of each service to find the right one for your business. The good news is the standard among the top providers is so high that you cannot really go wrong regardless of which one you choose. There are several points to look at when choosing an email list management provider. This includes customer support, price, and reliability. Customer support is a vital factor in the service you will choose. Top providers like Aweber and GetResponse have excellent customer service and technical support, and you can always expect to receive a response within 24 hours, usually less, of sending in your support request. Thankfully, their layouts and systems are so simple to use that people rarely have any problems. Price is also a major consideration. Unless you plan on having an email list with hundreds of thousands of subscribers by next week, then a service like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, or SendLane will suffice, and the cost is only a couple of $100s or less per year. These services usually charge based on the number of subscribers you have, with a minimum amount and a maximum amount. However, considering the value that you will gain from building a list of subscribers, this cost is almost negligible. When it comes to email marketing list providers, don't let price alone be the limiting factor in your choice. Reliability is crucial. You will want a service that can assure delivery of your emails and that has effective spam prevention. Consider the history of their uptime, some of the customer reviews, both positive and negative, the delivery rates of service, and even the customer service rating based on the response time and helpfulness. Don't get caught up in a fly-by-night autoresponder service that doesn't fulfill their end of the deal long term. With all of that in mind, these factors are the main ones you should look at when choosing an email marketing list service provider. Strategies for getting people onto your list. In this section, we will look over some of the most common and proven methods and resources for building a highly responsive and profitable email list, regardless of your niche or target audience. Use pay-per-click ads to drive traffic. If you have the budget, you can use something like Google's AdWords program to push traffic to your email subscription landing page. You can select the keywords you want to use and then create a campaign around them, using classified-like ads to get people to sign up. Make sure you have a great landing page because every person who clicks away without signing up costs you money. Use basic SEO tactics. By far one of the most common techniques for building an email list is to have an opt-in page or form on your website. This is a page that prompts your visitors to enter in their email contact information to get more information regarding that topic that your website revolves around. You have to make the process of giving contact information as easy as you possibly can for your audience. Ensure that everything is in order because the last thing people want to see is an error page when they have just entered their personal contact information. Using exit pop-ups, pop-unders, and even opt-in forms on the side of your blog. All this will do is lead people to believe that your site is fraudulent and they will be entirely unlikely to ever return. Offer special opt-in incentives. It helps if you offer people something of value in exchange for their contact information, such as a free report or an ebook. Also, you have to make sure that whatever it is you are offering can be easily accessed directly after the customer has provided their information. This will be the best way to start things off on the right foot. Using this method, you can also promote other products, upsells, or other offers within the report or book, or even on the download thank you page as well. Add a sign-up form on every page of your site. Far too many people forget to do this easy concept. Put your form in front of your visitors' faces. Some people that come to your website are just tourists and they leave shortly after arriving. By having this on your page, you can easily capitalize on every little bit of traffic that visits your site, especially the bounces. Others are genuinely interested in what you have to offer, but either don't have the need for it at the current time or don't have the money. Make it easy for those interested to keep in contact with you. Put a sign-up form above the fold on each and every page. Clearly state the benefits of joining your list. On your subscription or landing page, prove to potential subscribers that your newsletters and emails will not be A, spam, or B, a waste of their time. People have lots of information overload in their lives nowadays, so they want to read things in their inboxes that are interesting, useful, or informative. Give them a preview or clearly explain what the main benefits of being a member of your list will be. Offer testimonials, sample messages, or an archive of older newsletter issues or information to them just for joining. Show them what's in it for them. Using solo ads. Solo ads are advertisement spaces that you can purchase from recognized email publishers. When these publishers send online mailers to their subscribers, an advertisement for your company also gets added to the mail. In many cases, the email or publication may be directly specific to only your business or offer. You get to pick the advertisers in such a manner that your emails are only sent to subscribers who have indicated an interest in receiving information about businesses that offer the same services you do, making these emails highly targeted. Learning how to build an email list with solo ads is hard work, and you will likely be better off using the services of a professional. Many companies claim to provide these services, and you need to be careful when picking one because they might end up getting your business blacklisted from major email providers. Look for feedback and reviews. Services that offer quality solo ad programs have been proven to be highly effective and have a lot of positive feedback from their clients. You also get the benefit of picking a service that specializes in your industry vertical, and this will ensure that your business gets promoted properly. Run a membership drive. Ask your current readers to help you get more subscribers. Set up send to a friend options on your website and ask people to send emails to their friends and business associates asking them to sign up. Give away a special report or coupons or some kind of reward for people who get friends to sign up. You could even run a contest or some kind of time-based event to help drive traffic. Creating polls is also a great way as well. Getting active in forums. Active forums will allow you to ask for an opinion on a subject relevant to your niche. When people ask questions, you will want to point them to your site. The great way to do this might be to say that you wrote a new report answering or talking about their question. You will have included a link to your opt-in page somewhere in the report. One of the best methods to drive adequate traffic to your site is to get involved in posting messages to public forums in your niche. You can either start a new topic or add to an existing topic. Interact in conversations and provide value to the community. Scenario questions are also useful, such as, if you had to build a list of 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, how would you do it? Mention that you think you have answered the question and include a link to your opt-in page where the article can be found. Another useful way I found is to ask forum visitors to provide you with questions in your area of expertise. The important thing here is that you have already done the groundwork and prepared a report along the lines of the frequently asked questions about the topic. With existing topics, it really is dead easy. When someone asks for assistance with something relating to your area of expertise, be prepared to add your own comments. In short, learn to be active. Also make sure to add a link in your signature to your website with your opt-in page. There is also a possibility that you will have already written an article or posted a blog on this topic. If you haven't, and the topic is worth considering, then now is your chance to put together a quick tutorial or checklist explaining the answer. This will be found via a link to your site, where an opt-in form will also be waiting to engage your new visitors.